In a time when science is advancing at an unprecedented pace, with cutting-edge technology unlocking secrets of the universe that were once beyond imagination, one name continues to echo through every major discovery: Albert Einstein. More than a century after he first introduced his revolutionary ideas, Einstein's theories are not only surviving the test of time, but are being confirmed again and again with astonishing accuracy. In 2026, scientists are once again left in awe as new discoveries reinforce the brilliance of his work, proving that Einstein was right yet again. When Einstein published his theory of general relativity in 1915, he completely transformed the way humanity understood gravity. Before this, gravity was described by Isaac Newton as a force acting between objects. While Newton's laws worked well for everyday scenarios, they could not fully explain certain cosmic phenomena. Einstein introduced a bold new concept: that gravity is not a force, but the result of massive objects bending the fabric of spacetime. According to his theory, planets, stars, and galaxies create curves in spacetime, and objects move along these curves, giving the appearance of gravitational attraction. This idea was revolutionary and required a completely new way of thinking about the universe. At the time, Einstein's theory was considered highly complex and even controversial. Many scientists struggled to understand it, and experimental evidence was limited. However, Einstein remained confident in his work. His confidence was not based on blind belief, but on a deep understanding of mathematics and an extraordinary ability to visualize physical concepts through thought experiments. He imagined scenarios that pushed the boundaries of imagination, such as what it would be like to travel alongside a beam of light, or how time would behave in a strong gravitational field. These ideas, though abstract, laid the foundation for some of the most important discoveries in modern physics. One of the earliest confirmations of general relativity came in 1919, when astronomers observed the bending of starlight around the sun during a solar eclipse. This observation matched Einstein's predictions perfectly and brought him global recognition. Over the years, additional experiments continued to support his theory, from the precise orbit of Mercury to the behavior of light near massive objects. Yet, perhaps the most remarkable confirmation came with the detection of gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime, that Einstein predicted in 1916. Gravitational waves are created by some of the most extreme events in the universe, such as the collision of black holes or neutron stars. These events release enormous amounts of energy, sending waves through spacetime at the speed of light. For decades, these waves remained purely theoretical, as they were incredibly difficult to detect. It wasn't until 2015 that scientists, using the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory LIGO, were able to directly observe them for the first time. This groundbreaking achievement marked a new era in astronomy and earned the Nobel Prize in Physics. Now, in 2026, advancements in technology have taken gravitational wave research to new heights. Scientists have recently detected one of the most powerful gravitational wave signals ever recorded. This signal originated from the merger of two massive black holes located billions of light years away. As these black holes spiraled toward each other, they distorted spacetime to an extreme degree, eventually merging into a single, even more massive black hole. The energy released during this event was immense, and the resulting gravitational waves carried valuable information about the Higa na Innis. Using advanced detectors and artificial intelligence, researchers were able to analyze the signal in extraordinary detail. They studied the frequency amplitude, and pattern of the waves, comparing them to the predictions made by Einstein's equations. The result was nothing short of astonishing. Every detail matched perfectly. Even under the most extreme conditions, where gravity is incredibly strong and spacetime is highly warped, Einstein's theory held true. This level of accuracy is both surprising and inspiring, leaving scientists once again amazed at the precision of his work. What makes this discovery so significant is not just that it confirms Einstein's theory, but that it does so in an environment where any flaws would likely become apparent. Black hole mergers represent some of the most extreme conditions in the universe. If there were any limitations to general relativity, this is where they would be revealed. Yet, time and again, Einstein's equations continue to describe these phenomena with remarkable accuracy. This raises profound questions about the nature of reality and the power of human intellect. Einstein's ability to predict such complex phenomena without the aid of modern technology is a testament to his genius. He relied on thought experiments and mathematical reasoning to explore ideas that were far ahead of his time. His work demonstrates that true innovation often comes from the ability to think differently, to question established beliefs, and to explore the unknown with curiosity and imagination. In many ways, Einstein's approach to science was as important as his discoveries themselves. Today, scientists are building on Einstein's legacy using tools that he could only have imagined. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in modern research, helping scientists process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that would be impossible to detect manually. In the case of gravitational waves, AI is used to filter out background noise, enhance signal clarity, and accelerate the analysis process. This allows researchers to study cosmic events with unprecedented precision and efficiency. Despite these advancements, the foundation of this research remains rooted in Einstein's original ideas. The continued success of general relativity also highlights the importance of fundamental research. While practical applications may not always be immediately apparent, foundational theories provide the framework for future discoveries. Einstein's work, once considered purely theoretical, now plays a critical role in technologies such as GPS, which relies on precise measurements of time and space. This demonstrates that investing in basic science can lead to transformative innovations that benefit society in unexpected ways. For viewers and learners, the story of Einstein's enduring legacy is both inspiring and motivating. It shows that one person's ideas can change the course of history, and that the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. Einstein's curiosity, creativity, and determination serve as a powerful example of what can be achieved through passion and perseverance. His work encourages us to ask questions, to think critically, and to explore the world with an open mind. As we continue to explore the universe, new discoveries will undoubtedly challenge our understanding and push the boundaries of science. Yet, time and again, we find ourselves returning to Einstein's ideas, using them as a guide to navigate the complexities of the cosmos. Whether it is through the study of black holes, the detection of gravitational waves, or the search for new physical laws, his influence remains as strong as ever. Looking ahead, scientists are working to unify general relativity with quantum mechanics, a challenge that could lead to a deeper understanding of the fundamental nature of reality. While this goal has yet to be achieved, the progress made so far is a testament to the enduring relevance of Einstein's work. His theories continue to inspire new generations of scientists, driving innovation and discovery in ways that were once unimaginable. In conclusion, the latest discoveries in 2026 serve as a powerful reminder that Einstein's genius was not limited to his time. It transcends it. His theories have stood the test of time, proving to be remarkably accurate even in the face of modern scientific advancements. Scientists may be shocked by just how precise his predictions were, but perhaps the greatest surprise is that his ideas continue to shape the future of science. Einstein was right again, and the world is still catching up to his brilliance. His legacy is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the limitless potential of the human mind. Welcome to Einstein AI, where we explore the ideas that continue to change the world and inspire the future. Rocket